Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Talha Parkar, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can insert a table in PowerPoint, how you can format it, and how you can go about editing it or choosing the proper designs for your table. So to create or to insert a table in PowerPoint in your PowerPoint slide, all you have to do is go to the insert tab over here. Then you have to go to the tables option, click on the down arrow, and then you can come down to the insert table option, and here you have the option of choosing number of columns and the number of rows that you need. So let's say I have 3 columns and I have 3 rows. Let's just click OK, and this is how your table would look like. You can enter any data: salesperson, month, target. So let's just say that there is a salesperson called Adam, and there is for January the target was 1,000, and we have Levine again for the month of January, and let's say his target was, the target he achieved, or the target he had to achieve was, again, let's make that sales. So yeah, so that was 10, 1,000 and 1,200. So now what you can do is you can go to the text tab over here. You can have the Times New Roman, you can increase the size, it looks good. Now the other option that you have available with you is the table design option, which is on the right hand side of the screen at the top over here. You can click on that, and you can have a lot of colors. So there are a couple, you could scroll through them one by one, or you could just click on this down arrow and you could just hover over any of the designs that you like, and you can select that particular design. So let's say you like this green and white, or this blue. The other option that you have available over here is the layout option, which gives us a lot of options to edit. So you come to layout, so you have the option to split and merge cells. You have the option to delete any particular column, row, or the entire table. You can insert a row above, insert a row below, insert a column to the left, to the right. You can split and merge cells like I told you. You can select the entire table, a particular column, a particular row. So basically you have your table settings, your row and columns, the merging, the cell size, the alignment, table ratio, and if there is some arrangement that you need to do. So this is how you create and insert a table in PowerPoint. Thank you. Stay tuned for more content on Microsoft Power BI, Excel, Tableau, and PowerPoint. Thank you.